Hey, you can easily make a boomerang on your Instagram using your camera roll or directly from the Instagram camera in two simple ways. Let's see how. So the first, from your iPhone, you have to open up Instagram and then go to your stories, tap recent, then go to all album section. And here you have to find the live photos album. And now from here, you will find all of your live photos with the boomerang icon. Now choose one, tap boomerang, and your photo instantly turns into a boomerang. Then tap done and now share or save it to your iPhone. But if you're using any other Android devices, you have to go to Instagram stories first, then open the camera, and here you have to select the boomerang option. Now record your clip, and that's it. Your boomerang is ready to go. You can save it to your device or share it directly on Instagram. Isn't it really easy to create a boomerang on your phone? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.